Back with the search for a woman dubbed South Park Susan. She's seen in a viral video, you see it right there, berating two black women calling 911. Hard to watch. ABC's Lindsay Davis here with the story. And Lindsay, police now do want to charge her.
They do. Good morning to you, George. In the video, two black women are in the parking lot of an apartment complex in Charlotte, North Carolina, when a white woman starts heckling them. Several times she brags that she makes $125,000, but not anymore.
I'm white and I'm hot. So what are you doing here? I'm still going to make $125,000 Monday morning. Who are you? Do you live here?
This morning, police are looking for this woman dubbed South Park Susan in this video gone viral.
Is your boyfriend here? Is your baby daddy here? Girl, I'm white. I'm white. I got you, girl.
Now Susan Jane Westwood not just losing her job, but facing legal consequences too. Police issued a warrant for the 51-year-old's arrest. They say she misused the 911 system when she made this 911 call to make false claims against the sisters Lisa and Mary Garris.
Folks that are trying to break into apartments, they are actually people that I've never seen here before, but they are African American. They're trying to cause a problem.
The sisters say at one point Westwood even threatens them.
Can you bring out my concealed weapons too?
The two women say they felt harassed and called police.
We are so distraught and still very upset about what has taken place only because of the color of our skin. It is so upsetting to know that today we still have this overt racism that's going on in 2018.
This is just the latest in a string of incidents for what some are calling living while black, like this woman dubbed Keith Kelly, who was fired from her job after trying to prevent a man who lived in this apartment building from entering the lobby.
Do you live here?
And this man, dubbed Coupon Carl, fired after wrongly accusing a black customer of using a counterfeit coupon.
Westwood is now wanted by police. Her whereabouts are unknown. She now faces multiple criminal charges. I don't know what to do anymore. We've given the PSAs. People know they're going to lose their jobs. Doesn't change.
It's not just wrong, it's a crime now.
It is.
Yeah. All right, hopefully that'll help it stop. All right, thank you, Lindsay.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.